For many years, manufacturers have relied on paper sheets to collect data. Operators fill out these sheets manually to collect information on critical details, like how products are produced, the number of product defects, amount of production waste, and machine issues encountered during operations. Every single day, hundreds of production sheets are manually filled out, which means operators have to calculate efficiency rates by hand for every single production line. Because of this, major decision makers like plant supervisors, engineers, and business users have to make critical decisions from historical or possibly outdated data. Are you really in control of your factory if you can't see what is happening in real time? Without a truly connected factory, you face issues like a lack of production visibility and limited insights across multiple facilities. This disconnect makes it difficult for you to quickly detect anomalies or anticipate maintenance issues, ultimately leading to lack of transparency across the entire supply chain. Now, with TIBCO and the digital transformation of the factory, the entire manufacturing process can be monitored and measured in real time, so you get the real-time insights you need. Factories can connect people, processes, applications, and machines so that all data is collected, synthesized, and understood together. Data sources are unified, offering a single view of your entire manufacturing process. And you can analyze and visualize data in real time so that factory-wide key performance indicators are computed and made available to anyone, whenever you need it. With the factory of the future, you can finally make informed decisions. At TIBCO, we can help you achieve 360-degree end-to-end visibility on one single dashboard, where performance, availability, anomalies, and quality are finally visualized, not only for one production line, but for the entire shop floor. With a single dashboard, true inventory transparency is possible for plant managers, and AI-powered real-time analytics can predict product quality, reduce waste, and optimize equipment maintenance. At TIBCO, turning the impossible into the possible is in our DNA. Work with us so we can provide the manufacturing intelligence for your connected digital factory. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us to jumpstart your digital factory transformation.